Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Jane Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about the Raja Saab box office collections. Perhaps Terror bleeds on Sunday for worldwide weekend of 145 crore. Of this trend, rupees 200 crore would be an impossible task if not for the Sankranti holidays. It may still come under, but Sankranti gives it a chance. By Jitendra Singh, published on 12 January 2026. The Raja Saab took another fall in business on Sunday with the collections plummeting to rupees 20.50 crore approx at the Indian box office. With that, the film wrapped its three-day opening weekend at just rupees 114 crore approx after bringing in rupees 66 crore approx on its first day. The film experienced an even worse slowdown overseas where it could only muster USD 225K on Sunday, less than 10% of its opening day. The overseas weekend amounted to just USD 3.40 million, rupees 30.50 crore for a worldwide box office gross of rupees 144.50 crore, approx finishing under rupees 150 crore of this trend, rupees 200 crore. Would be an 200 crore would be an impossible task if not or for the Sankranti holidays. It may still come under, but Sankranti gives it a chance as the Telugu states will get some collections during the week-long stretch. The film has underhelped all across the board, whether in the Telugu states or elsewhere. Castle Andhra has had somewhat better with the holiday sport kicking in, but the other places flagged over the weekend. Yesterday, Nizam, which had a relatively better first day, showing crashed with a 42% drop, with Saturday the Hindi variant, which generally holds well, dropped each day of the weekend, and that sums it for the film. The Raja Saab has huge costs involved north of rupees 400 crore, and the recovery is highly dependent on the theatrical, with the non-theatrical revenue stream going down, while the has a highly lucrative holiday period at its disposal in the coming days. Its fate has been sealed by a super opening followed by an abysmal trend. The theatrical breakdown for the Raja Saab is as follows. Area Gross. Asteroid Bollywood box office classification 2025, 8 hits and 15 successes during their biggest hit of the year. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.